Welcome back to MVP Insight for yet another build video. We built this one for Sayant and Saha, who's based out of Orissa. Big shout out to him. And it's built on a base of MSI's Tomahawk Z370. It's got 3 PCI Express slots and 4 slots for RAM and RGB accents because, well, why the hell not? Powering the build is a high-end gaming staple, the i7-8700, 6 cores, 12 threads and a boost clock of 4.8 GHz. Pumping out a massive amount of frames is the best-in-class Asus Strix 1070 Ti with 8GB DDR5X and RGB accents. Keeping things cool, we've gone with the Cooler Master Liquid 120mm RGB cooler, and on the RAM front, we've gone with the G-Skill Trident 2x8GB, which is also RGB, because who doesn't like two pink parallel lines on his motherboard? All this slotted neatly in the real highlight of this build. Corsair's next version of the Carbide Spec Omega, this time with RGB, and considering what we've put into this build already, should probably also come with an epilepsy warning. The case has two 120mm fans with addressable RGB lighting and a nice LED strip running across the front of this build. Also addressable, also RGB. If there's one thing we'd like to pick on before getting into the glamour shots of this build, is that we really think there needs to be some standardization on addressable RGB lighting software. Syncing these together across different manufacturers could help create some really nice theme builds.